A lot of people come to me and say, Vic, show me the money. Let me show you the money. Take a look at my screen here, right? Get response. How mundane can this thing get? $346,407.19. Now, here's the coolest part. I did not spend a single dime promoting Get Response. Now, how in the world did they pay me that kind of money? Obviously, going back a few years now. I'm going to show you how you can realistically build a $5,000 to $10,000 solid income on a monthly basis starting from scratch. Okay, you ready? This might be the most important video you will ever watch, but first let me show you something that's really, really crazy here. Let me show you a story, okay? So we have surveyed a lot of people, and as you can see over here, right, one of the questions that I asked is, I said, hey, how much money are you currently making online? This went out to online entrepreneurs or aspiring entrepreneurs, and here are the results. They're shocking. Look at this. 0, I haven't made any money yet. 70.92% of people, 2,700 people responded to this survey. That's crazy. No money, okay? Over 70% of people. Now, take a look at the next one here. $1 to $100 per month, another 18.97%. That's 89.9% of people out of 2,700 people are making less than $100 a month on the internet. That's a big problem, right? Now, take a look at this. We combine the top 3 answers here and take it a step further here, $100 to $1,000 per month. That's another 6.63%. Income, total combined percentage-wise is over 96.5% of people are making anywhere from $0 to $1,000 per month, with 0 being the most, right? So how come this is how come this is the reality? And it does not have to be your reality, right? So how do you change that? Let me show you the 2 biggest reasons why people fail, and I'm going to show you how you can build a successful business on the internet, even if you're starting from scratch, okay? So reason number 1 people are failing is because of this thing called overwhelm. Now, here's what I mean by this. You get bombarded with information, right? So if you get information being thrown at you from YouTube, from all these different gurus trying to teach you money, by the way, as you can see, there are 96.5% of these so-called gurus on the internet that are trying to teach you how to make money. They're making less than $1,000 per month. How crazy is that, right? Realize you got to know the game that you're playing. You got to know what you're up against. Now, what's the big problem with overwhelm? Well, the problem with overwhelm is you get bombarded with 98% of the information, right, that only produces maybe 2% of the results. This is the big problem in the industry. So what you need to do is you need to understand how to reverse, how to flip that, right? So how do you focus on the most potent information here? That's the 2%. So you're reducing your amount of overwhelm, and that information is going to produce 98% of the results, okay? I'm going to show you how to do that in just a second. Problem number 2, most of these people are not making money, is because this thing called not dependency, but dependency, right? Dependency, okay? So they are dependent on one source of income, okay? If this is you right here, most people, okay, most aspiring entrepreneurs or beginners or people just online in general, affiliate marketers, network marketers, they're just dependent on one stream of income, okay? Or they might be dependent on one company, one guru, one income stream, just one, okay? And this is the worst number in business. You never, ever, ever want to be dependent on anything that's one, okay? So what we want to do is we want to, in a minute, I'm going to show you how to open up multiple streams of income, because if you look at anybody who's truly successful, you want to have income coming in from 5, 6, 7, 10 different directions to you and getting you paid from all over the place, right? Why? Because you're getting bills, you're getting multiple bills on a monthly basis. You might as well get paid multiple ways, right? Now, let me tell you a couple strategies here that worked really, really well for me personally. That will definitely change your business to the next level. If you are dependent, okay, on one income stream, here's what you need to do. You need to have, number 1, okay, you need to have a product, a core product that you're selling, okay, a product, okay, that needs to be core. I'm going to talk to you what I mean by that. So you got a core product that you're selling. Now, that core product needs to have symbiotic income flows to that, okay? So you can have synergistic or supportive income streams, because if I sell just one product, if I have to depend on one product, what I want to do is I want to create numerous of these income streams for this one product. Does that make sense? Okay, ultimately, I want to have multiple products in multiple industries serving different markets that each of those have multiple income streams. Okay, so this is how I was selling a product. I was selling a coaching on how to, to entrepreneurs, how to start an online business. Now, check this out. If I sell a course on how to build a successful promotion on the internet, and I can sell that course to chiropractors or online marketers or network marketers, right? So this is my core product over here that I'm selling, and I'm making money by selling this product, which is where bulk of my money is coming from. Look, what do those people need? Everybody, if I'm going to teach them the right thing, I'm going to teach them how to build their list, right? So to build a list, what do you need? You need an autoresponder, don't you, right? So this is how GetResponse paid me, what was that, over $300,000, okay, that I just showed you, okay, over $300,000 as a byproduct that came to me from GetResponse, okay? You see what I'm saying here? Now, what else can I show them? I can sell these guys or recommend that they have a lead capture mechanism, right? So I can sell them, for example, ClickFunnels, right? So maybe ClickFunnels could be my other synergistic, symbiotic income flow for this core product. Now, let me show you something else that's really, really crazy over here, right? Take a look at my screen here, okay? So I'm going to log into my ClickFunnels account as an affiliate, okay? And as you can see here, ClickFunnels, which is, I'm pretty sure you probably heard about ClickFunnels, what ClickFunnels is, but without me promoting ClickFunnels directly, I did not spend a single dime promoting ClickFunnels, did not run a single ad for them. I did not, I did not promote it outside of what we have going on, the ecosystem in the 4%. But ClickFunnels, check it out. It paid me $160,000 in affiliate commissions. $160,000 paid to me as an affiliate without promoting ClickFunnels. That came as a result of a ecosystem working. You get it? You get what I'm saying here? Now, in a moment here, I'm going to show you how you can build a $5,000 to $10,000 realistically per month, even if you're just getting started, okay? But I want you to start thinking a little bit bigger here, because the opportunity that you have when you become aware of how to do this is absolutely ridiculous. And most people are not aware of it, okay? I'm going to change your life today. You ready for it? Let me show you something else. So take a look at this, right? ClickFunnels account, $160,000. Look at this, right? In the last 30 days over here, $9,300. Look, how would your life change if you had $9,300 coming in on a monthly basis just like this? Because you're doing what you're supposed to be doing anyways. You're not spending any extra money. You're not doing any extra promotions, right? All that is covered. Now, let me show you something else, right? Now, take a look here. What else, right? So $160,000 from ClickFunnels, okay? Again, this is an income that was symbiotic to the core product that I'm selling. You get it? Now, what else? If I'm selling this to, let's say real estate, right? Or network marketers, right? And how to build their business, how to build a list, they need two things. They need an autoresponder, which is this. Autoresponder will pay me. They need to be able to capture their list, which is ClickFunnels. That's what I recommended to them, right? Look, that's a combined $460,000 of money that I just got paid. It's like free money, right? In addition to the money I made from selling this product. Does that make sense? Now, what I can do is I can add additional income stream here, which I did, right? What else do these guys need? Like basic fundamental things. For example, tracking, right? In order for them to be able to track everything as a third-party tracking tool, little, a picks and shovels is what I call them. Take a look at this right here, right? So we recommend ClickMagick. Okay, and ClickMagick, again, I just signed up as an affiliate. Didn't cost me a dime to sign up with them as an affiliate. I created a free affiliate account. And because I have incorporated ClickMagick as one of the symbiotic income streams that's supporting the product that I'm selling anyways, right? ClickMagick paid me another $78,210.74. Okay, another $78,000 came from ClickMagick over here. Check it out, right? 78K. From ClickMagick. Now, do the math on this. That's pretty awesome, isn't it? Right? Now, let me show you the path. Okay? Now, this is just one income stream here. Now, what if I had another one? Okay? What if I had a third one? And what if I had this happening for each one of my income streams. Let me give you another example here, right? So one of the products that we're launching out right now that we have launched over the last 30 days is called e-com entrepreneur, right? So we're tackling a multi-trillion-dollar industry and we're selling a training on how to do e-commerce properly, right? There is it's one of the fastest growing businesses in the world today, according to Business News Daily, right? So we're selling a product that can pay you, right? For example, I'll just tell you what we're doing here, and I'm going to tell you how you can tap into this and capitalize on all this and hit the ground running tonight if you wanted to, right? So this product, for example, would pay you, I'm just approximately, tell you $800, okay? $800 per sale. Okay, that's how much you would get as an affiliate, for example. That's one of the products we have in the ecosystem. It serves e-commerce industry. So we're not being gimmicky here. We're not selling opportunity to recruit people so they can do the same thing like all the, many of the other companies out there. You're selling real product, teaching people how to run real business. You're making great money on the front end. However, this training, right, has symbiotic income streams. Let me give you another example here. So what could be one of the symbiotic income streams from selling this e-com product, okay? E-com entrepreneur, okay? For example, to build an e-commerce store, what does one need? Shopify, right? So Shopify will pay you, okay, up to $2,000 per sale as an affiliate, just like these guys are doing, right? Again, this becomes a symbiotic income stream coming from Shopify, okay? You get what I'm saying? Plus, in addition, I can also sell them. I can recommend ClickFunnels. I can recommend GetResponse. I can recommend all these other tools and gadgets and everything coming together for one, okay? So the big question is you say, Vic, I'm fired up. I'm excited. It makes sense to me, right? How do I do this? How do I get started? What do I do first, second, third? Now, remember, most people fail because they have a tremendous amount of overwhelm in their business. They're focusing, they're being taught 98% that's junk that might be producing 2% of the results. And that's why those people are failing, the stats that I just showed you. We have figured out a way to shift that by focusing on two things, results and simplicity. That's why we created the company called the 4%, right? And that's the only thing that we focus on is we teach people how to become real entrepreneurs, how to stand on your own two feet and how to absolutely crush it. Let me show you what you need to do. Imagine this, okay? If you want to build a $10,000 per month income, okay? If this bucket represents your $10,000 per month, okay? $10,000 per month income. Imagine if I was to fill this bucket with rocks, right? Now stay with me. I know it might sound a little bit crazy. I need to have, most people are focusing on these little teeny bitty rocks, right? They're making $20 commissions, they're making $15 commissions, all that stuff. You need a lot of those sales to generate $10,000, right? What you need to do is you need to identify your big boulders, okay? For example, this one's gonna pay you $800. This one's gonna pay you $800. This one's gonna pay you $2,000, okay? Does that make sense? You don't need as many of those per month to get to your goal, but then you fill it up. Maybe you need another boulder here, you're making $500 per month here, right? And then you fill it up with all these little smaller rocks. Maybe they're $30 commissions, $40 commissions, all coming in from these symbiotic income streams over here. For example, GetResponse. What's the average commission on GetResponse account sale? It's about $5, $5 to $10, okay? ClickFunnels pay you around $40 on average per sale, but this is monthly. The cool thing about this is monthly, my friends, okay? It's coming in every single month. Do you realize how that can change your life? Really? Do you realize if you had that money coming in on a monthly basis? So what I mean by that, those symbiotic income streams are these little rocks here, okay? And this is what's gonna keep you grounded. These big boulders here, they could be your core product sales. So this one could pay you $800. This one pays you, $500, $2,000, depending on the product. Okay, so that's the strategy. Now, here's what you need to do. Okay, if you want to go from zero, okay, to $100,000 a year, for example, right? How do you build that out? If this is your timeline, how do you build it out, right? Well, this was something that we thought about here in the 4%. And we said, you know what? We're going to teach entrepreneurs. We're gonna flip that statistical numbers. We're going to flip it on its head. We're going to change it. We're going to change it from 98% failure rate right, and only 2% success rate, we're going to change it upside down. Here's how we're going to do that. I created this thing called Operation 100K. Okay, Operation 100K. Now, Operation 100K is part of the 4%. And by the way, you can create yourself an account with 4% if you want to. Here's what's going to happen. I'm going to teach you how to do this kind of stuff for your business. Okay, it's not a business opportunity. It's a business where you become, when you learn how to write your own paycheck in life. Now, you need two things. You need the knowledge, but at the same time, you need a system that works, that can get you paid now while you're learning how to set this up for yourself. So what I'd like to do is, if you want to, I'd like to give you this entire system that we have created. It's called the ecosystem of the 4%, okay? I'd like to give you this system. All you have to do is just plug in your affiliate account IDs over here with GetResponse. There's like over 30 different income streams inside of our ecosystem of the 4%. So that you can run the system, you need to focus on two things: traffic generation, which we teach you, strategical promotions, and list building, okay, which we also teach you. Now, the coolest thing is we have this thing called the Operation 100K inside of the 4%, and this is a program that is the first of its kind in the industry, where it teaches you how do you go from zero, what do you do, thing number one, thing number two, thing number three, thing number four, how do you build your business to where you're generating $100,000 per year income as an affiliate, where you are in control of your income. So what I do is I get you started from zero, and I give you the education of your lifetime that literally is designed to change your life. Okay, you get to stand over my shoulder, and you get to watch me pick the product, set up the core product promotion. We give you the product. You don't have to, create it, right? You have to be a member of the 4% though. And then I show you how I set up all these symbiotic income streams, how exactly I do this. And the best part is you get to do this with me. Every single episode, every single step, every single move I make, you get to watch over my shoulder. Look, if you want to set this up for yourself right now, you can create yourself an account with 4%, and I'll be more than happy to walk you through and teach you how to do this, give you the system that you can get started and use 15 minutes from now. It will change your life, I promise you. It will cost you $49 a month, which is discounted rate for now. You can do annual at a discount. It will change your business, I promise. Go ahead and get yourself an account created. It's less than $1.50 per day, or $1.60 or something like that. Okay, and I'll see you inside the 4%. As soon as you get in, we'll get you set up with your multiple streams of income. We'll get you plugged into Operation 100K. We'll hit the ground running right now. Okay, I'll see you inside.